This is a demonstration for connecting a USB camera to any rigid or fiber scope. The first thing you'll do is connect the C-mount adapter to the USB camera. You will remove both the connectors, these plastic covers, from both pieces, thread them together. Next, you will use the locking USB cable and connect to the back of the camera and thread in place. There is a cover over the C-mount's lens. You'll squeeze these two ridges together and it will pop out. And this will allow you to connect to the eyepiece of the scope. The next thing you'll do is take the light guide and use the female threaded end and connect to the light post of the scope. And lastly, you'll need to connect the other end of the light guide to the light source itself. Remove the red plug, and when you insert this light guide post, only the first 1/4 inch or so will actually fit in. These are designed for different light sources.